Want to make your car more practical without wasting money on gimmicks? In this video, we're looking at 10 Amazon car accessories that are genuinely useful for everyday driving. Check the updated links in the description. Starting off the list, this Lysen magnetic car charger is one of those accessories that instantly makes your daily drive feel cleaner and more convenient. Instead of dealing with messy cables or awkward phone mounts, you just place your phone near the charger, and the magnetic connection snaps perfectly into place in a second. It's especially useful if you rely on navigation every day because your screen stays visible, stable, and charging at the same time. The strong magnetic hold keeps the phone secure even on rough roads or speed bumps, which honestly makes a huge difference during longer trips. Another thing people will appreciate is the flexibility, since it works with both dashboard and air vent setups depending on your car interior, and because it supports fast wireless charging, your battery actually gains power while using maps instead of slowly draining. It's simple, practical, and exactly the kind of upgrade that feels useful every single day. Coming in next, this portable air compressor from Airmodo is one of those things you probably won't think about often until the exact moment you really need it. And when that happens, having it in your glove box can save you a ton of time and stress. It's compact enough to keep in the car permanently, but powerful enough to inflate tires in just a few minutes without needing a gas station air pump. What makes it especially convenient is the digital pressure display, because you can set the exact PSI you want and it automatically stops once it reaches it. That means no guessing and no overinflating. It's also surprisingly versatile since it works for bikes, motorcycles, sports balls, and other inflatables too. For road trips, daily commuting, or even emergency situations, this is one of those practical tools that gives extra peace of mind without taking up much space at all. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. If your trunk constantly turns into a mess after grocery runs, road trips, or just everyday driving, this organizer from Trunk Crate Pro can honestly make a bigger difference than you'd expect. Instead of loose bags sliding around every time you brake, everything stays in one place and actually feels organized. It comes with adjustable compartments, so you can separate tools, cleaning supplies, emergency gear, groceries, or even kids' stuff without everything getting mixed together. One thing people really like is that it folds down when you don't need it, which is great if you switch between cargo space and storage often. The material also feels durable enough for daily use, especially if you keep heavier items in the trunk regularly. It's not the flashiest accessory in the world, but it's one of those simple upgrades that quietly makes your car feel cleaner, more practical, and way less chaotic over time. For anyone who spends a lot of time driving, a good dash cam is one of those accessories that feels unnecessary right up until the moment you actually need the footage. This red Tiger model stands out because it records in sharp 4K resolution, which means license plates, road signs, and details are much easier to capture clearly, even at night or during bad weather. It also includes both front and rear cameras, so you're getting coverage from multiple angles instead of relying on a single view. What makes it even more practical is the app connectivity, since you can quickly access clips straight from your phone without pulling out memory cards every time. A lot of people also like the parking monitor feature for extra peace of mind when the car is parked outside. Installation takes a little setup compared to simpler accessories, but once it's running, it's the kind of thing you'll probably forget about until it saves you from a major headache later on. A cordless vacuum like this might not sound exciting at first, but once you keep one in your car, it's surprisingly hard to go back. This one from Sekiach is especially useful for people with kids, pets, or anyone who snacks in the car regularly because it makes quick cleanups ridiculously easy. Instead of waiting until your interior gets seriously dirty, you can clean crumbs, dust, hair, or small debris in just a couple of minutes. The compact design helps a lot too, since it fits easily in the trunk or center console without taking up much space. It also comes with multiple attachments, which makes it easier to reach tight spots between seats and around cup holders where dirt always seems to collect. Battery-powered convenience is probably the biggest advantage here, because there's no cable getting in the way while cleaning. It's one of those small accessories that genuinely helps your car feel newer and cleaner every day, with almost no effort. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Some car accessories are about convenience, but this Avapau jump starter is more about avoiding a really bad day. If you've ever dealt with a dead battery in a parking lot or late at night, you already know how frustrating that situation can be. The nice thing here is that you don't need another vehicle nearby to get back on the road. This compact device gives you enough power to jumpstart your car on your own in minutes, which honestly makes it one of the smartest emergency tools to keep in the trunk. It also doubles as a portable power bank for charging phones or other devices, and the built-in flashlight becomes surprisingly useful during roadside emergencies. Even people who aren't car people can use it pretty easily because the setup is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Hopefully, you'll never need it often, but having something like this stored in the car brings a level of peace of mind that's hard to appreciate until you actually need it. This next one solves a problem almost every driver has dealt with at some point: dropping your phone, keys, cards, or fries into that annoying gap between the seat and center console. And somehow, whatever falls down there always becomes impossible to reach while driving. These seat gap fillers are such a simple idea, but once installed, they make the interior feel way more practical and organized. Besides blocking the gap completely, they also add a little extra storage space for small everyday items like sunglasses, earbuds, parking cards, or your phone. That's especially useful if your car doesn't already have enough easy access compartments near the driver's seat. Installation takes literally seconds since they just slide into place around the seatbelt buckle. It's definitely not the most high-tech accessory on this list, but it's one of those small upgrades that removes a daily annoyance almost immediately and makes driving feel just a bit more convenient every single time you get in the car. This is one of those accessories that sounds incredibly boring until you actually use it for a week and realize how much cleaner your car stays. This backseat trash can from Hotor is especially useful for families, commuters, or anyone who eats and drinks in the car. Often, instead of random receipts, bottles, napkins, or snack wrappers piling up in cup holders and door pockets, everything has a dedicated place immediately. The hanging design is nice because it keeps the trash off the floor while still being easy for passengers to reach. It also includes storage pockets on the outside, which adds a little extra functionality for wipes, tissues, or small travel items. Another underrated detail is the leak-resistant interior, since it helps avoid those annoying spills from drinks or melted ice. It's definitely not the kind of product people get excited about buying, but after using it regularly, it becomes one of those simple things that quietly makes road trips and everyday driving feel way more organized and less messy overall. These little blind spot mirrors are probably the cheapest thing on this list, but they can genuinely make driving feel safer almost immediately. Once you stick them onto your side mirrors, you get a much wider view of the lanes around you, which helps a lot during lane changes, merging, and parking. It's especially useful for bigger vehicles or drivers who still don't feel fully comfortable checking blind spots quickly in heavy traffic. The difference is subtle at first, but after a few drives, you start noticing how much more visibility you actually have. Another nice thing is that installation takes less than a minute and doesn't require tools or complicated setup. They're also adjustable, so you can angle them however feels most natural for your driving position. Obviously, they won't replace careful driving habits, but for such an inexpensive accessory, they add a surprising amount of extra confidence behind the wheel and make everyday driving feel a little less stressful overall. A lot of newer cars support Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but having to plug your phone in every single time still feels surprisingly outdated. That's exactly why this wireless adapter is so useful. You basically plug it in once, pair your phone, and after that, your car connects automatically every time you start driving. It sounds simple, but removing that constant cable routine genuinely makes the whole experience feel smoother and more modern. It's especially convenient for shorter drives where plugging and unplugging your phone gets annoying fast. Navigation, music, calls, and messages all appear on your car screen like normal, just without the clutter of cables hanging around the console. Setup is also pretty straightforward for most vehicles that already support wired CarPlay or Android Auto. It's not really a flashy accessories people notice immediately, but after using wireless connectivity for a few days, going back to plugging your phone in manually starts to feel surprisingly inconvenient and outdated.